Tired of sifting through massive documents in Docusign? We're about to show you how to split a single file into multiple, organized documents, making your workflow a whole lot smoother. First, log into your Docusign account and navigate to the Documents tab. Locate the document you want to split. Open the document now. Look for the annotation tools. The exact location might vary slightly depending on your Docusign plan, but typically it's a toolbar at the top or side of your screen. Find and click on the split document icon, which usually looks like a document with a line through it or two separate documents. You'll now see a view that allows you to select which pages to include in your new documents. You can either manually select page ranges for each document, for example, pages 13 for document 1, 46 for document 2, and so on. A dialog box will appear prompting you to name your split documents. Give each section a descriptive name, making it easy to identify later. Finally, click Save or Split. Depending on your Docusign version, Docusign will then process your request, and you'll find your newly created, separate documents ready for use. Now, wasn't that easy?